It's another edition of the Mercy Health Huddle. I'm here with Dr. Matt Busam, who is the head team physician for FC Cincinnati and also here at Elder High School. But he's also the medical director of the Sports Medicine Outreach Program for Mercy Health. And Doc, let's just talk about a team physician at a high school, a school like Elder. Why is that so important? What is so important about that role?
First of all, it's a privilege to get to work with the athletes at the high school level. It's a very pure experience for those athletes, and I think that's very important. The second thing that's really important is that we are, unfortunately, sometimes the final arbiter that decides whether an athlete can or should continue to participate. So it's really important that we have a good rapport with our athletic trainers, with our parents, with our athletes, and with our coaches, but also not to function as a fan. Sure, on Fridays, I like to wear my purple tie and say it's Purple Friday, but I can't get mixed up in that idea that my job is to make sure Elder wins, or any job of a team physician is to be a fan of their team. We want our athletes to do well, but we need to do it safely, and that's the most important thing.
We mentioned the wide reach, really, of Mercy Health, professional sports, college athletics, high schools. Talk about the outreach program and why it is so important for a healthcare system like Mercy.
Well, what our outreach program does is it allows us to be in the community as opposed to simply being of the community. We are in the schools with full-time athletic trainers, working intimately with our athletes and coaches and then team physicians to try to provide safe care for all of our athletes. And that extends on. We have seamless integration, I like to say, between our athletic trainers and then our physical therapists, our physicians, the hospital system, and then back around. And unfortunately, over the last couple of years, we learned how important it is to have a hospital system at your back. Because, hey, I'm just an orthopedic surgeon. Do I know a whole lot about infectious diseases and pandemics and things like that? I don't. But you know who does? A giant healthcare system that's got a lot of people who can help guide us through really challenging situations. And that's been a hugely important thing over the last couple of years.
You'll find out more about Mercy Health. Visit mercy.com/ortho.